Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Fuck the bitch to the left, she start whining like a Hellcat.
YouTube, you feel me? It's your boy Son TV out. We back at it again with another video for y'all. And as you can see, my nigga, we got the cat and we got the scat out, and we at the gas station, and we is currently in the middle of a tornado watch. You feel me? So we is gonna be vlogging today because I gotta get some tires for the cat. Let me show y'all boys something. Hold on. Damn. Hopefully y'all can see. I don't know if y'all boys see that, but I got wires showing on all 4 tires. So it's actually this nigga fault because he been making me slide, but I've been having a fucked up alignment, been doing burnouts and all type of stuff, and boy, I gotta get some more tires. So basically, we finna go to the Mexican tire shop. We gonna get these cheap ass tires. He supposed to be getting some too. He also like Mexican women with wide asses. So if you got a wide ass and you a Mexican girl, him and bro, no cap, he gonna whack some shit backwards. But anywho, y'all, we finna vlog, you feel me, for the day, get y'all boys some little content before Thanksgiving, you feel me. Make sure y'all boys get this video to probably 100 likes. Make sure y'all subscribe, hit the post notification bell, share it with your friends, family, your grandma. Feel me, y'all can watch this shit while y'all niggas eating turkey for Thanksgiving, not they hold no cap.
Roll up out now, I'm too high. Fuck both sides, I don't fuck them guys. Rico checked in, bust had died. JB did, couldn't use his mind. Don't mention Lil Boo, still a pull up fine. I'm $1 million nigga and I'm still out slime. 33 in my Glock while I'm spinning the 5. Catch pimpin', slipping, he know it.
So I need y'all boys to let me know if y'all actually like this type of content, bro. Like I said, bro, if y'all like the vlogs and y'all messing with the vlogs, bro, I'm gonna keep that shit going, no cap. You feel me? I just feel like I do need to do something different than just straight POVs and shit, you feel me? So just let me know down there in the comments if y'all like it or what else y'all want to see me do. It's raining cats and dogs out there, big dog. Woo, woo, woo.
I ain't just totally guns and picks, you can ask the ops, we up on the scope. Niggas was trolling, capping on.
Yeah, I told y'all boys this is tornado watch in the area, but I'm too real of a nigga to be scared of a tornado. I don't feel no nigga, no tornado, no nothing. You feel me? The only thing I feel is getting locked up again.
Lock his ass up!
No cap, I can't go back to jail. I am scared of jail. I ain't gonna lie. You feel me? That's about it. You feel me? But anyway, while we're running from the tornado, you feel me? We having a smooth little drive, you feel me? Like I said, every time we ride on them, got the wires on. So if somehow we end up upside down in the ditch, y'all niggas know why. You feel me? It's the motherfucking tire. Don't do what I do. You feel me? I don't even know what the fuck I was finna say. But the reason why my front tires is so ate up on the inside is because of my alignment. My alignment was so bad on the what I'm trying to say. My alignment was so bad on my car, and since it's lowered, the dude was telling me I need to get like some adjustable control arms and stuff, because the regular control arms or suspension or whatever, you can't really adjust it like that. So with it being lowered, you got to get you some adjustable control arms so they can actually make it right. You feel me? So if y'all do decide to go lower, just know that you will. I mean, you don't necessarily have to get it, but it'll be best to get the adjustable control arms and stuff. So your alignment can be perfect, you feel me? But they did the best that they could, you feel me? Shout out to them. Oh, y'all see who the fuck we see in traffic, my nigga? Look. Oh, hell. You feel me? Y'all already know I don't need no smoke with them niggas on everything. I got 5 warrants in 5 different cities, you feel me? We can't go back to jail, no cap. Gotta get that nigga some space, you feel me? We can't be too close up on his ass, you feel me? I know that nigga there. That nigga can't wait to take a nigga to jail on everything. And I'm in the cat. That boy want a reason to pull my ass over. He don't care if it's storming outside, nigga. The tornado could be behind us. That nigga still gonna write my ass a ticket. You feel me? He'll put his life on the line just to make sure I'm locked up. No cap. Let me do a little downshift from the rain. Let's see if we can do a little pull. Hopefully we don't die. Oh shit, that bit already getting sideways. bitch around the pole. Fuck around in the rain. Yeah, I still hit the supercharger though. But we can't cut up at all. You feel me? Y'all hear them pops. Now nigga stuck in traffic, you feel me? Because y'all niggas don't know how to drive. Y'all niggas totaling y'all shit out. Right when Thanksgiving is around the motherfucking corner. Thanksgiving is in 2 more days. Y'all niggas getting off work, tying y'all car up on Thanksgiving break. Shit crazy. Y'all niggas gonna have to learn how to drive someday, bro. I make too many videos, but y'all niggas be tearing y'all cars up all the time, bro. I show y'all niggas constantly how to counter steer and control the wheel. Y'all niggas don't listen. Instead, y'all niggas want to snitch to the police and try to get a nigga arrested. No doubt. They free all my niggas out there jail shit, you feel me? Y'all niggas keep y'all head up, no cap. Y'all look, y'all see this message that just popped up on my screen, bro? You feel me? That means we right on point with this goddamn tie shit, cause my shit is losing air like a motherfucker. You feel me? That shit just happened. I'm happy that I did do this. Hopefully I make it there. It's saying I got a big ass leak. Damn, I need to hurry up. I'm low key kind of nervous now. I'm finna start driving on the opposite side of the road to get to these niggas. No cap. My shit losing air like a motherfucker. This bitch at 13 PSI. God damn. Hopefully I make it on some real stuff. I'm nervous as a bitch. Y'all don't never do the shit that I be doing. I be tweaking out there, bitch. Look at this bullshit right here. I sit on the motherfucking what? It's your fault. It's your motherfucking fault. I gotta get the damn air pump out the trunk. Thank you, Dodge. See, Dodge equip your shit with the air pump, so you be good. It's all this nigga fault, bro.
I seen your car.
Damn.
Like that. I was like, hey,
Oh, oh God, my car was leaning. Gotta go ahead and take that cap up off that bit and put that bit in wide on it. Gotta take the cap up off that bit.
damn. Plug it in, plug it in.
Yeah. Yeah, this shit crazy as hell. I never had this shit happen. I'm talking about nigga been driving on the freeway, wheel lopsided as hell. No cap. The same shit happened to this nigga about a month ago. I was on the phone laughing and shit. Now this shit that happened to me.
Shit, that was like 2 weeks
2
ago.
weeks ago, oh God. And press that button. Hopefully that bit holds some air. I mean, hopefully the air actually going to that bit, no cap. Damn, bro. Nigga on the side of the road. Let me go and get my thumbnail. All right, this bit don't hold no air. We're gonna have to go slow.
5 miles an hour.
Let me see.
Gotta get in.
Yeah, let me see. Is it going up any? Is that something?
What you want to get it at before we try?
Shit, I guess at least like 20 or 15, somewhere like that. We'll give it a little minute. Damn, this shit embarrassing. I can't believe this shit. I gotta take a piss too.
And tie shop right down the road too.
Oh God, like the tie shop is literally down now.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
See, now y'all can see the paint tires right there. It's really dense. Y'all, this bit is stuck at 11, so I'm gonna cut the camera back on when we pull up to the tire shop. I gotta make this shit quick. We back up in the whip. I'm finna run the motherfucking red light to get to the tire shop. No count. I don't got no choice. I ain't stopping. Y'all niggas better keep going, goddamn. I gotta keep this shit moving. On my mama. I know I'm breaking the law, but the law deserves to get broken. I'm finna pad these niggas right here. We almost there. I'm just gonna keep the camera rolling. That bit was literally right down the motherfucking street. Y'all be okay. Yeah, I see a nigga. I'm gonna run this hoe too. Let me see. And everything I'm finna run this hoe. Right there. Oh, no, I ain't had to run it. We finna get over though. Oh God, nigga, we made it. We made it to this bit. Oh my God. Y'all, don't never let this shit happen, y'all. I be tweaking. I should never let my tie get like that. That's that lazy shit, y'all. I've been lazy and avoiding it. I knew my tires was bad. Hopefully I got the goddamn wheel lock. Cut the new wheel off. Oh, hit that bit go right here. We in the game. I know my car junk, y'all. We're gonna get it cleaned up. Don't worry about that. We made it.
Oh God, we
Oh
made it.
God, nigga, I was scared.
I didn't even know you can put a cone 3 jacks like that.
A cone 3 jacks.
Oh God,
You probably can't. That bitch might fall. See, y'all, look at my shit. We finna go to the back. You feel me? This our tie shop right here on the air. He don't understand the word that we saying. Oh! Shit, I don't think he know how to do his speak numbers. That's right. We gotta walk through this bit. They got 1 million tires in this hole. Trying to see if we can find my bus some 315s. Okay. Mud tires on there, you can do a lot of shit. You can go off road. It's like they said $40. $40? I don't know. I don't know. Ask me how much it is.
how much both these?
81, same.
81.
No price.
This is kind of. I like this one,
Yeah, I know.
but
He's 49 for this one,
this one
32 for that.
you 75.
Customer special.
That boy trying to negotiate his ass off.
All right, man.
It's good price, good deal. You know, it's bad. It's cheaper.
Yeah.
I got too many tires on both sides, 275, 45, 20. This.
Oh, you get the mud tires on that bitch.
Come on.
The TRX tires.
Yeah.
It's the VIP section. Only the real niggas is allowed back here. You can hear it. Look, my car sits so low. Nigga bumper touching the ground out there, bitch. No cap. I ain't gonna lie, I'm happy this did happen after I got off work. Instead of me headed to work, we would have been in a sticky situation. We was gonna have to go to one of them expensive ass tire shops. They were gonna wax my ass goddamn 500 for 4. Oh yeah, 500 for a brand new one. On everything.
They don't sell used tires.
On everything they don't sell used tires. I was gonna get my ass completely waxed. Hey, there go that nigga who be with
Oh yeah.
the nigga who did a 360 in that Mercedes. Nigga came down Railroad Park going crazy as hell. Ain't gonna lie, when you a real slider, you always gotta inspect your that little shit right there to make sure ain't no tire threads wrapped around it. That should have stripped all your grease out your axle and your shit'll lock up. Then you have to replace a whole axle. You feel me? So if y'all are real sliders, make sure y'all check that every time y'all slide and when y'all take y'all tires off to get some more. No cap. I'm putting y'all niggas on game. 97 plus 81.
178. Damn, my bad. Damn.
I ain't gonna lie, y'all. They did wax my ass today. I usually pay like $25 per tire. They waxed my ass today. I ain't gonna lie. They dug in a nigga pockets. I ain't gonna be able to eat shit for Thanksgiving. Fuck around with their ass. No cap. I'm just playing though. They really did, but you feel we got 4 tires for $178. You can't beat that. And they actually got pretty good tread. Like they used, but they ain't bad. That motherfucking BMW right there. I'll wax his ass on the road. Hey, bitch, you know where the Mexicans at? Ask them how you get a Mexican girl with a wide ass.
Bro, quit saying that, bro.
You gotta ask them how you get the Mexican girls with the wide ass. You feel me? He finna get his ass waxed by the ass too. His ass gonna be stuttering and shit. Nah, nigga, you gonna have to pay. You feel me? I ain't giving no discounts around this bitch today. They said it's too close to Thanksgiving. Never get you some tires for the holidays. Demonstrate to y'all niggas what's going on.
What the fuck?
You feel me? That bitch ate all the way up.
Yeah, see, my tires wasn't that bad.
Them hoes ate all the way up. No cap.
They bad. Man, that bit all the way around.
All the way around.
Hey, if you wanna be cheap, then tear it and flip it on the other side.
Suddenly shoots across a lane, rolls underneath.
As you can see, we got 4 tires for $172. You feel me? I can't knock it. It's not that bad. But I still got my ass waxed right before Thanksgiving. No cap. Well, y'all, you feel me? We back at it again in the whip. You feel me? We finally got our tires and stuff put on, as y'all boys seen. Thought them niggas in that tow truck finna T-bone my ass out the road. But we got the tires and stuff put on, you feel me? So the car's wide and much better. You feel me? Now that the wires isn't showing on all 4 tires, you feel me? We barely made it to the bit. Well, we actually really didn't, because that bit was completely flat. But you feel me? We got everything taken care of. They did wax my ass for $172 for 4 tires. But when you really think about it, it's not even that bad. No cap. But I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to wrap up this video, y'all. Hopefully y'all boys enjoyed the video. Like I said, make sure y'all boys like, comment, and subscribe. Like I said, get this video up to 100 likes. Let me know whatever type of other videos y'all want to see from me. I'm thinking about doing something like a Thanksgiving POV or something. You feel me, for y'all. I might post this on, let me think, probably tomorrow. I'm gonna try to get everything edited tonight and upload it tomorrow and stuff for y'all boys. But shit, until next time, y'all, this is gonna conclude the video. I'll see y'all boys next time. I'm out.